Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Healthcare.gov login issues, enrollment errors solved step by step clearly. Gov login and enrollment errors in a clear beginner-friendly way. Open a trusted browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Confirm you are on the official site by typing Healthcare.gov directly into the address bar and pressing enter. Check your internet connection by loading another website. Then return to Healthcare.gov if it works. Turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger security blocks and login failures. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Healthcare.gov, then close and reopen the browser. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extension or cookie conflicts. Disable ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy extensions for the site. Then refresh the page. Click Login and carefully retype your email and password, making sure caps lock is off. Use the Forgot Password link and complete the reset steps if you are not 100% sure of the password. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the reset link, and open it within the allowed time window. If you see an account locked message, wait the suggested time and avoid repeated attempts during the lockout. Verify your email address is correct, and if you have multiple accounts, use the one tied to your application. If the page keeps reloading or shows a blank screen, switch browsers and try again. If you get a security or we can't verify it's you message, complete any verification prompts and allow cookies. When you can log in but enrollment fails, start by refreshing the page and rechecking your application dashboard. Review your personal information for exact matches to official documents, including name spelling, date of birth, and address format. Make sure your social security number field is correct if you entered it, and remove spaces or extra characters. Confirm your household members and income entries are complete, because missing fields often trigger enrollment errors. If an error appears after selecting a plan, take a screenshot or write down the exact error text and time. Log out, close the browser, reopen it, and log in again to reset the session before trying to enroll again. Try enrolling during off-peak hours like early morning or late evening to reduce server load timeouts. If you receive a document upload or identity proofing request, upload clear files under the size limit and in an accepted format. Check that your payment method is not entered on Healthcare.gov, because most first payments are handled directly by the insurance company. After you submit enrollment, look for a confirmation number and save it, because it proves your action completed. If your plan shows selected but not enrolled, wait a few minutes, refresh, and check for any pending actions or signatures. Contact the Marketplace call center at 1-800-318-2596 if the same error persists, and provide your confirmation number and error details. Ask the representative to verify your account status, application completion, and whether there is a known system outage affecting enrollment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.